Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a double crochet two together. This is abbreviated as DC2TOG. I've used this stitch when making things like a piece of bacon, as seen here. Making this stitch helped me create a zigzag sort of effect that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to achieve. To begin, here I have a chain piece that I'm working half double crochets into, and now I'm going to make a DC2TOG, or what I like to call it, a DC2TOG. First, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, and now you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Now I'm going to yarn over again, insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through so that I have 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again, pull through 2, and I have 3 loops on my hook. To complete the stitch, I'm going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. And that's how you double crochet 2 together. Don't forget that you can always adjust the playback speed of this video if you need it to be a bit slower. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!